Have you heard of compound interest? It's a powerful concept that can make a big difference in your finances. Compound interest is the interest earned on the initial principal and any interest accumulated over time. It's like a snowball that grows as it rolls down the hill. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to compound. For example, if you invest $10,000 at 5% interest for 10 years, you'll have $16,386.17. Compound interest is also significant in savings accounts. By regularly adding to your savings, you can earn even more interest over time. So, whether you're saving for retirement or investing in the stock market, compound interest is a key concept to understand. It can make a big difference in your financial future. Like, subscribe, share, and save money for your future. Hey! What happened? Who did that?